Building Information Modeling, or BIM, is a process that uses digital 3D models to plan, design, build, and operate building and infrastructure projects. It's been widely adopted in the construction industry, and now there's an opportunity for manufacturers and fabricators to work with BIM data too. 3D CAD models have long been used in the manufacturing industry. Like a different language, CAD models used in manufacturing are created for a fundamentally different digital ecosystem than BIM. For your company, becoming BIM proficient means learning to communicate in the language your customers speak. BIM proficiency includes creating BIM objects, versions of your CAD model that contain only the data required by your customers. Consuming BIM data provided by your customers and the BIM project team so that you can seamlessly coordinate on construction projects, and exchange BIM data using the project's common data environment. BIM isn't just for the benefit of the construction project team. You can offer additional value to your customers by making it easy for architects and designers to specify your products into the building design. And you can qualify for more bids by showing the construction client that you have the capability to collaborate on a BIM project. BIM collaboration reduces your risk, helping you to avoid surprises on site when it's time for installation. Collaborate with every project stakeholder using the centralized data of the BIM ecosystem. Minimize your risk, coordinate the design, and collaborate with the project team to help complete the project successfully. Communicate in the language of BIM, the language your customers already speak with Autodesk.